Since she puts this on her face, her boyfriend does not look at her in the same way. The truth is that our face is our best letter of introduction. But the best creams on the market are very expensive and are not as effective as natural face masks. Today I present several masks. The one of cucumber is the one that became our protagonist. Mask 1, Honey. Do you want to have smooth skin? Apply the honey evenly throughout your face. Leave it for 15 minutes and then remove it with cold water. You'll see how good it feels. Mask 2, Fruits. Certain fruits are ideal for moisturizing your skin because of its high water content. Use, for example, a ripe banana and make a paste, which you will apply on your face and neck gently. Wait 15 minutes and remove the mask with cold water to activate the blood circulation. Mask 3, Cucumber. We already know the wonderful properties of the cucumber. It is delicious, fresh and ideal for a balanced diet. Well, you cannot imagine the changes you can achieve in your skin, especially if you have taken too much sun on a beach day. Peel a cucumber and grind it well until you get a paste. Do not forget to keep 2 slices for your eyes. Spread it all over your face and rest for 15 minutes. Remove with plenty of cold water and you will see your skin fresh and moisturized. Mask 4, Smooth Face. Again, honey and egg, an unparalleled blend for beauty. Combine 2 tablespoons of honey with a beaten egg white. Mix with a spoonful of lemon juice and apply to the face, massaging gently. You will feel as your skin stretches. Leave it on for 20 minutes and wipe the face with warm, skim milk. A treat. Mask 5, Roses and Youth. Yes, it was true what women told in antiquity, something as ephemeral as a rose retains the secret of eternal youth. Do you want to try it? Then crush the petals of 5 fresh roses to make a paste and let it act on your face for 15 minutes. Remove with cold water, and you will see the results.